So welcome back guys. Today I will tell you exactly how I train my chest, and now I am trying Muscleblaze pre-workout 200 for greater pump. So let's begin. So the first thing I will do guys is my warm up, and a warm up is really important for lifting heavy weights. So I will do 2 sets of push-ups for 10 to 12 reps each. So let's do it. Now the first exercise is flat bench press, flat dumbbell bench press, and now we will do it for 3 sets for 12, 10, 8 reps, and by increasing weight and focusing on mind muscle connection. So let's do it. So stick with me guys. The second exercise we will do for our upper chest, and now we will be doing incline machine press for 3 sets, 12, 10, 8 each, and focusing on mind muscle connection and squeezing the chest at the top portion. So the third exercise is machine press, and we will be doing it for same 3 reps, 12, 10, 8, and we'll have a much better contraction of muscles here because we are having a perfect range of motion. So let's do it. So guys, unboxing this parcel from Muscleblaze. Let's see what it is. So we have this, my Muscleblaze Fuel 1 whey protein. Then again one more pack of Muscleblaze pure whey protein, and this creatine monohydrate. So it's really helpful for gaining lean muscle mass. So that's it. Thank you Muscleblaze for all this.